What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Garage Boy League, back here another day, man. Now, I got my video to 60 likes. I want y'all to know I appreciate it. But today we doing something special. You feel me? We're adding some sound to my baby. Now I know a lot of people are gonna be like, "Oh, don't do it. Rice to this, rice to that." Shut up. I do what I want. Today I'm going to Auburndale, Florida, to my muffler shop, and I'm gonna go get these bad boys deleted. You know, hear how it sounds. If I don't like it, I'm thinking about going with the Valvetronic Universal Muffler Kit. But you know, it's $75, so why not? You know, ball hard. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna head out that way, get my mufflers deleted, see how long the wait is, because they packed, we get real busy. But yeah, enjoy the journey. Enjoy the journey, bro. I'm over here messing up. I'm not on my A game right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna head over there. I'm at school right now. I'm gonna head over there to Auburndale, get the mufflers deleted, and then I'm gonna give you guys a little sound clip of how it sounded before and after. See y'all on the way there. So what's up, YouTube? We just got to the shop. I'm out here in Auburndale, Florida. See if I can get the sound for you guys at the pit stop muffler shop #1. You can see their number right there. These guys have done BMWs before, so trust it. They know what they're talking about. So got the car up on the lift, and now it's pretty simple. Just cut them, weld on the pipe, muffler deleted, boom. So yeah, I'm gonna record them doing it, and I'm gonna give you guys a sound clip after. YouTube. As you can see, we got the muffler delete done. Everything done up nice. Everything sounding nice. I put a little sound clips in there for y'all, so y'all can hear how it sound through the different stages of me building the car. Y'all know how everything look. I just want y'all to know that none of this would be possible without y'all, though. I do this for y'all, bro. Love y'all, and I want y'all to know we're gonna grow together. So the next video I got coming out after this one is gonna be me making some very big decisions, and I want you guys' help on the decisions that I'm gonna make. So I'm gonna include you guys. So look out for that video. I should be coming within the next week or two. And I just want to thank you guys for supporting me. Continue to like, comment, subscribe. My last video is currently at 65 likes and over 1,000 views. I want to appreciate y'all and show y'all love. My last 2 videos is over 1,000 views. We just gotta keep on going and getting better and better and living righteous by God, bro. Because you want to know why? God did every single time. God is good all the time. All the time, God is good. But anyways, I appreciate all of y'all. I'll catch y'all on the flip. Peace.